Well, we're making a corner post for a cabinet in there, and what we've got this spiral, and I've already made the first cut right here, and now we're fixing to come around and do the second cut. And the way we got it set up, we just got a piece of plywood, then we got a 2x6, 2x6, got them there, and then we find the center on each end, put our screws in there, and then we get one right here up here at the top to keep it from turning as we're running it through the saw. So let's go ahead and get the second cut on this thing. What I've got to do now is I've got to line up this cut right here, because the blade's not tall enough, and I've got to be directly over this saw cut on the bottom. Okay, we've got it all the way down there. Get it right over, and you see we're flat down on our holder. So now we get the first cut, then we'll have to turn it over and then get the second cut. This cut right here, that cut down there on our holder. So let's lock this down. This is that's why when you build this thing you want a lot of space in here. Same thing here. Right, get that thing right over. Run this in. And of course it's not going to turn. All right, let's get our last cut. See, here's our cutoff piece. I mean, I don't know what I could use that for, but anyway, let's go inside and try it.
Between us, we have over 17,500 passing yards, multiple New York Times bestsellers, and one Mirrorball trophy for dancing with
of what it's going to look like.